In Google Class, you have an assignment called Gmetrix Account Setup. I need to make sure that you can get into Gmetrix and you can see the Photoshop tutorial and start the Photoshop training mode test. So I'd like to show you how to do that. So first of all, you have to go to the Gmetrix login. You have to sign up as a new user if you have not already signed in. If you have an account through your BIM class, you may need to set up another account, I've heard. So you're going to have to type a username and password. And okay, then click sign in. And now I can see these tests. So you should be able to go to dashboard. And here is where you shouldn't need to download Gmetrix SMS. You should make sure that you can do this by having Photoshop closed. I don't want to resume test. Start a new test. That's where it is. Go to start a new test. Go to Photoshop. Go to test 1. Choose training mode. And start a new test. If you have previously started an old one, you can go back to your old one. It is then supposed to pull up Photoshop and start Gmetrix in it. It did not do that for me. So I'm opening Photoshop myself. And here's Gmetrix. Let's see if I can sign in here. I gotta choose my whole old username. Log in. It's picky. It does not work this way, as you can see. So I'm going to quit Photoshop. I am going to now search Gmetrix and use the app. Through the app, I can sign in. Oops. And I'm going to go to dashboard. Here's all my recent activity. I'm going to start a new test. I'm going to go to Photoshop. I'm going to go to test 1. Let's do training mode. And if you want to pick up on an old test, you can. I finished that test, so I'm going to start a new test. Now it should open Photoshop. There we go. It opens Photoshop. So you have to pull up the app and sign in through that